So this is a cosy T1 one bedroom property in the central Graça area of Lisbon. We walk into the property via the apartment door, and here we can see the living area. There's a nice work desk here, comfortable sofa, coffee table, flat screen TV, and a small balcony which looks out onto the reasonably quiet street below. At the other side of this living area, we can see on the left there the kitchen, and on the right the bedroom. So the kitchen is fully equipped. Oven, cooker, fridge, freezer here at the end. And we have here a washing machine. Exhaust fan. Sink, of course. And here we have the bedroom. Double bed, bedside table. There's a small window which can be left tilted, so open but tilted, to allow the air to circulate. And a wardrobe here also. And here we have the ensuite bathroom. So, wash basin, mirror, toilet, and this reasonably spacious stand-up shower unit. It has an extractor fan working, and the possibility, of course, to close the door for privacy. It's on the second floor. It's been renovated reasonably recently, in the last 5 years, I think. So it's in good condition and very nice for a single person or maybe even a couple.